Have you noticed changes in your energy, mood, or even your ability to focus? Hormonal imbalances can sneak up on you and disrupt your daily life, leaving you feeling less like yourself. When hormones fall out of balance, they affect everything from your sleep to your stress levels, mood, and even your metabolism. These fluctuations can make each day feel unpredictable, impacting your health, your energy, and your sense of stability. That's where MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Hormone Support can help. This advanced formula combines adaptogenic herbs and essential nutrients designed to balance your hormones naturally. Hormone Support helps to alleviate symptoms associated with hormonal imbalances, giving you steadier moods, better energy, and a renewed sense of well-being. With ingredients like ashwagandha, DIM, and B vitamins, Hormone Support works gently yet effectively to regulate your body's systems, helping you regain control and feel more like yourself again. Take back control with MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Hormone Support. Visit drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals today to learn more and discover a natural way to support hormonal health, balance, and lasting vitality.